Hello guys, I am back for another video today. First of two. So before I start my food review video, all across Canada, States, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, New Zealand, plus Vancouver Island. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe. Push the bell. Push all to watch my videos. Give a like, nice comment, and push the notification. Let's start. If you see on the thumbnail, you guys will be surprised. So I have a honey mustard ham sidekick from Subway. Let's try it out. So it tastes really, really good. The honey mustard takes the cake from the dressing. The lettuce, tomatoes, pickles is excellent. Excellente. And now I have some Miss Vicky's chips. These are sea salt. And every time I have these chips, my mouth is so watery. Let's take a bite of this. So these chips, Miss Vicky's sea salt chips, are really good. Not gluten free. Thank God for that one. It really has a pinch of salt. Really, really good. The chips are good. My sidekick is good. And let's try this Starbucks. Okay, so the peppermint white hot chocolate. My Starbucks is excellent. I love peppermint white hot chocolate. It's the best ever. No offense to the no offense to the coffee lovers out there. But peppermint white hot chocolate is really, really, really good. You guys should try it out. So that's it for the food review / drink review video. Before I go, these are my final thoughts. All across Canada, States, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, New Zealand, plus Vancouver Island. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe. Push the bell. Push all to watch my videos. Leave a like. Nice comment. Live on and prosper. I'll see you guys later on today at 4 o'clock when I do my Tomb Raider gaming on my PS4. For now, peace out.